don't always see the night. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what is good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. I know, we're gonna be doing a mystery unboxing now. My channel specifically, I don't really have too many young people, so I'm not afraid about this whole promoting gambling shit, because this isn't even gambling. It's more so like a game, first of all, and second of all, I don't have people that are below the age of 15, 16 watching my channel for the most part, and at the end of the day, it is optional. So today I am gonna be talking about ITEMUNBOX.com. They actually did sponsor this video, so huge shout out to them. There's a couple things that I do want to cover, like the fact that this is a mystery unboxing website, but you don't have to wait to see what you got. You actually get to see it instantly on the website. If you want something good, you get to see it. If you didn't get something good, you get to see it as well. It's better than mystery boxes where you have to wait for shipping, because you get to see it instantly, and if you don't like the item, you get to sell it right then and there instead of having to wait and all that kind of stuff. But if you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and leave a like down below, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and let's get straight into this video. Alright, so before we get this video started, I want to show you guys how to initiate the whole process, basically how to register, how to make sure that everything is set up correctly. I am also gonna be doing a giveaway from the items that I win here. I'm gonna be choosing 3 giveaway winners to go ahead and trade something to you guys, but the first step that you guys are gonna have to go through is go to opskins.com, which I'm actually at right now. Click login or register right there as soon as you go into it. I'm obviously already registered, but you guys are gonna have to register right there. After you register, go ahead and go to Express Trade, which is at the top right here. Click that. It's gonna take you to this Wax Express Trade part. After you're on Express Trade, go ahead and click Settings, and this is where you're gonna find your little user ID. You're gonna find this thing that says Trade URL. Copy it and comment that on this video, and I'm gonna go ahead and choose a winner for the next video to go ahead and trade something to you guys. I feel like it's pretty dope. You could go ahead and win something, go ahead and sell it if you don't like it and buy something else. It's pretty sick. So go ahead and comment your Trade OP Skins URL at the bottom, and that way you could go ahead and win. I'm gonna choose 3 winners on the next video, so go ahead and do that. Now that we have that out the way, let's get straight into the ITEMUNBOX.com. We're gonna get into opening these boxes real soon. I just want to cover one little thing real quick. So on this video, you're basically gonna be opening vIRLs. It's spelled VIRL, but it's really pronounced as vIRLs. I want to let you guys know that we're gonna be opening some of these boxes, and the chances are actually equal for anybody, regardless of whether you're sponsored or not sponsored. So it's an equal level playing ground, if that makes any sense. It's the same for everybody, so I'm gonna have the same chances that you would have, and that's honestly one of my favorite features from this website. It's actually provably fair for anybody who plays it, rather than just the people who are sponsored. So I actually really do like that, and that's mainly the reason why I decided to go with this website right here. But I don't really want to waste too much time, so let's get straight into this unboxing. Alright, so now that we're all set up and ready to go, I'm gonna choose which box I'm gonna go for. I'm probably gonna end up going for this budget vIRL box, just to start off real. Matter of fact, bro, let's start off balls to the wall. Let's open 10 of these budget HYPEBEAST vIRL boxes. I feel like if you open more, you probably have a better chance, so let's open 10 of these real quick and see what we come up with. Now, when it comes to these boxes, what I do like is that they do generate the boxes from OP Skins, and they bring it over to this website, so it's kind of like an evil playing field for everybody who's trying to open some boxes. It doesn't matter whether you have 4 legs, 3 eyes, whatever the case is. If you're sponsored, not sponsored, you have the same probabilities to get something good or something shitty. It's all about luck at the end of the day, so hopefully we do get something good, and I feel like that's probably one of the main reasons why I decided to work with this company. Opening the first box right now, and we got a sticker. I was honestly expecting the least, but hoping for the best. So let's see what we get. Hopefully we get something good. And we got another sticker. Let's keep opening this case and see what we get, bro. Come on, bruh. Nothing good so far. We've opened 4 boxes. We're on the 5th one. It literally skips past all the good shit. Like, that shit is off. Another sticker. That's queer mode, bro. I know y'all just saw that. Like, y'all had to just see that right now. Of course, we got another sticker, bro. I got like 10 stickers so far. And we got another sticker. What the fuck is going on, bro? That's gay. Bruh. They just did me dirty right there. I know y'all saw that, bro. Like, I can't even make that shit up. But alright, we took straight up L's on those. We're gonna open 2 of this $30 box. Wish me luck in the comments. Like, just put a W before I even get the W right now. Let's open 2 of these bitches and see what we get. So the cases are preparing right now. I already explained basically why I like this feature, because it kind of separates them from other brands. Hey, I'm about to go ahead and try to cop this. They're preparing them right now. I'm gonna come back when they're ready to go. So the cases are ready to open. Let's go ahead and open this first one right now. I had to be the greatest. And we got a balaclava. Let's open the second one real quick. I'm the great. Bruh, if I would have got them Yeezy 2s, I would have probably peed on myself, bruh. But hey, we didn't. We took a L on that one. Let's go ahead and open what? Let's open like 10 budget viral boxes. That's like 25 beans. So let's open that. Bink. While they're preparing it, I'm gonna just take a quick little break and just breathe and shit. So the cases are ready to go. Let's see what we cook up on these. Well, cook up, not really cook up, but like what we get type shit. Bruh. Alright, let's just keep going. I'm not even gonna be let down. Let's just go, bruh. Queer mo, hella queer mo. Dude, I'm not even getting the good stickers either. I'm getting the straight bullshit. Bruh, I had the Fox goggles. Like, it's just, I don't know. Nope. I can't even get G Fuel. Like, come on. At this point, I'll drink some G Fuel powder without the water. Come on, son. Straight up stickers this whole time, son. Bruh, I'm gonna spend the rest of my bread on these budget HYPEBEAST viral boxes. I don't know, I just feel like I'm gonna have the best chance in these because they're in between the whole splurge and don't splurge. So let's see what we get. They're preparing them right now, so y'all already know how we do. We're gonna take this little break, hop right back in when they're ready to go. And they're ready to go. So I'm opening this first one. I have a good feeling about this. I ain't even gonna look. Y'all gonna see it before me. I got a cat, but I keep getting hats. I don't want no fucking hat. Look, I don't even think I got a hat. What am I talking about? Well, I did get a balaclava, but a sticker. Come on, son. Can't even get the flannel. What's going on, son? Let's go. I just got some human races. Let's go, bruh. Yo, bro, what? I just got some human races. I actually fucks with these. That's so lit. What the fuck? I was not expecting to actually get something. I'm literally down to like my last box. That's crazy, bruh. That's sick. I just got some human races. Bruh, that's dope, bruh. I was literally down on my luck. I was like, yo, this is another mystery brand type shit. It's not. Like, I just got some human races, bruh. That's crazy, son. From the budget HYPEBEAST viral box. That's so dope. They're not my size. I don't even know if you could choose your size, but that's so dope, bruh. Damn, let's go, son. Yo, I'm actually type amped. That's so sick. Shit, I'm getting stickers, but it's alright. I feel like I'm gonna sell the rest of the stuff besides the human races so I could buy some more boxes and see what I end up getting. But leave your trade URLs in the comments below because I will be choosing winners in the next video that I make, where I'm gonna choose 3 winners and I'm gonna trade you guys something that I do win. So, hey, you could probably end up coming up on something really cool. But we did get some human races. That's honestly insane to me. I was not even expecting to get that. That's crazy, bro. I just got some dope ass sneakers for bruh, that's crazy. That's honestly really sick. So if you do want to sell something while you're playing on the website, you have to go to inventory, then you have to transfer your items to OP skins where you'll be able to sell them right away. So I'm gonna basically take you through the process right now. That's what I'm doing, and I'm obviously not gonna sell the shoes because those are actually some pretty cool sneakers. I'm gonna keep those. I'm gonna withdraw the rest of the stuff and then I'm gonna sell it and probably try to a little bit more on these boxes because you really never know. I actually just got lucky, so I'm gonna try to like see if my luck extends a little bit. Who knows? You go to sell at the top, you click instant sell, and then you're gonna see all your items that you transferred right here. You just keep clicking on them and they're all gonna go to the other side on the right. You're gonna see instant sell for $25, which is basically how much I'd make for these right here. Instant sell them, and it's gonna have a 3-second reload at the bottom. Once it refreshes, your balance should be on your ITEMUNBOX.com balance. So I should have have around $40 or so. Yeah, I have $40 left. I'm gonna open this budget HYPEBEAST box a couple more times and see if we do get something cool. I think I could open it like 8 more times. Let's go ahead and do that. Yo, if I get 2 pairs of sneakers, I'm about to faint, bro. Like, I almost peed myself already. So let's see what we could cook up. Yo, if I get another pair of kicks, bro, it's game over. Like, it's dead ass game over, bro. It's literally all about luck, though. I was feeling lucky when I first started this, so I don't know if that plays a role, but hey, I don't even know. Shit, bro. I'm like mind blown right now. So I got 7 boxes left. Let's see what we get. I literally just got some sneakers. If I could pull that off again, which I honestly kind of doubt, that would be insane. I'm already amped. Like, I don't even know if I could fit the kicks. I might have to squeeze in them. Who knows, bro? Who knows? Damn. Yo, I got some human race. Like, what? For $5, bro. That's insane to me, bro. Almost some Concords, but y'all already know how it goes. It usually either glides over it or it lands on it. So see, like right there, bruh, it just tricked me a little bit. I actually thought I was about to get something, but we didn't. It's all good. It's all good. So what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna instant sell all these and open the $2 box. I should have enough to open it at least like 3 to 4 times. Yeah, I could open it 4 times. So I'm gonna go ahead and no, I cannot. I can open it 3 times. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then we're gonna get straight up out of here. But honestly, bro, I am excited to see how long the human races take to get here, all that kind of stuff. If you want to see an unboxing for this, I am gonna go ahead and do one for you guys. Just let me know down below if you're interested and I'll do more of it. Also, leave your trade URLs. I can't stress this enough because you can win something. Like, I'm gonna be giving away some of the things that I win. You could possibly come up on some shizzle, but I'm gonna go ahead and open these 3 boxes, then we gonna exit this video for you guys. Come on, bro. We got the sticker right now. Let's see what else we could get real quick. Another sticker and we're out of here, folks. So I just got some human races. Like, this shit is crazy, son. I guess I just gotta go to shoes. Withdraw to OP skins. I honestly don't know how to order it, but I'm gonna try to figure it out, I guess. I'm gonna go to OP skins inventory. I guess you just gotta click redeem. I'm gonna click redeem right here. If you redeem, you cannot trade, resell, gift, or return it. Yup, redeem item. Then I gotta put all my information and basically just redeem them. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. But if you guys did end up enjoying this video, go ahead and leave a like down below. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Let me know if you guys would like me to make more of these type of videos, because this was insane. It was honestly my first time winning something dope on one of these websites, and it's crazy, bro. Some human races for $5. That's mind-blowing, bro. But like I said before, if you did end up enjoying, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe. Make sure you go ahead and check out Item Unbox if you are interested in these mystery brand type videos, because hey, you could come up on something really sick just like I did right here. And mind you, I was literally taking hella L's. So it's not like mystery brand where literally you open one box and then the next box you get some heat. Like, I thought I wasn't about to get shit, and that was like the gamble of this video, but I actually managed to get something good. I guess luck was on my side today. It might be on yours, so definitely go check them out if you are interested. But one thing I do want to stress is I don't want you guys to get scammed, but if you are interested in possibly winning some heat like this, make sure you go check them out, because hey, it's self-explanatory, bro. Crazy, straight up crazy. But hey, we gonna get straight up out this video. I am gonna order these and I am gonna unbox them for you guys, just so you can know if the site is legit. Do they sell legit products? Does it take long? All that type of stuff. But I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel.